Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm really happy to see you all, and I know that I have not posted any video since a very long time and I'm really sorry for that. But today I am here with a very new kind of video. I have not tried any video like this before. So today I'm going to be trying a makeup look, and that makeup look is inspired from badass type look, or you can say empowering woman type of look. I am actually a beginner. I don't know how to do makeup. I'm learning day by day, so I'll try my best to recreate those looks, and I hope you all will love them. And also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like if you like this video, and comment down below. I'll be more than happy to read all of your lovely comments. And let's start with the video. So very first thing, you need to clean your face first and then apply the aloe vera gel. You can apply aloe vera gel or your moisturizer, serum, anything, just to moisturize. And just make sure that the products you are using are paraben free. I am using aloe vera gel because I don't want to use any primer, so you can also use this instead of the primer. And also don't forget to apply it on your neck also. Next thing, I'm going to be creating my base, so I'm using Fit Me foundation. I'm using this foundation and this is in the shade 220 Natural Beige. Take 1 or 2 pumps according to your need on your hand, and take any beauty blender or brush which you use or which you prefer. I'm using this beauty blender and apply foundation all over your face. Make sure you start with a very little amount of product, because you can always build it up, but if it's too much then it will become very cakey. And apply it in the dab motion like this. Apply it on your problematic areas properly. Blend the foundation well in your skin. Please remember, first do your eyes, then your base. Now I'll use concealer. So I have this MAC palette. So here you can see all the shades of contour, color correcting and concealer. You can use any shade according to your skin color. She calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I have this Swiss Beauty Makeup Pro eyeshadow palette. Okay, so I am gonna be using these 2 shades, this one and this one right here. So I'm going to be doing a brown and little bit of natural and that kind of look. Take the color and dab it and apply it on the crease. Build it up a little bit. Yeah, and that's it. And now take this darker brown shade and blend it there only. I'm going to be taking this color, little bit of shimmer, it won't look too much, and place it over your lid. So I'll quickly apply liner and come back. So here this is, and I'll apply little bit of kajal on my lower lashes also. So take the brush again which you have used for your eyelids, and take little bit of that brown color, this one, dab it off and let's smudge your lower lashes. That's it for the eye look. So I am using for my eyebrows this In Color Cosmetics gel liner. You can use gel to fill your brows, or you can use spoolie, or powders also available in the market. You can also use them, and I'm using this brown shade. It's really pretty brown shade. Take little bit of it. And also, if you are choosing any color like brown or black to fill your brows, make sure that that color will look more natural. I'm gonna now apply mascara. Take Vaseline, little bit of Vaseline in your hands and apply it on your lids. This will automatically enhance your eyelashes if you don't have fake lashes like I don't have right now. Now take a compact powder. I'm using this Maybelline one. And just set your base so that it will last long. Now I am contouring. So I have this palette for contouring as I have shown you earlier. Just I'm going to be taking any brown shade, like I'm taking this one. Just pout and apply it on this line. For blush, what I'm gonna do, I have this lipstick which I'll apply today. So this is Vivid Matte Lipstick in the shade Matte Lock 19 Hot Chocolate. Take this lipstick a little bit on your finger and apply it on the apples of your cheeks. Almost our makeup is done. Just two things. First is this lipstick, and now I will just apply lots of highlighter. So let me tell you that I love highlighter, and I am using this Swiss Beauty highlighter and bronzer palette. Take a small brush like this, little bit of highlighter and place it here.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make.
So comment down below what you thought about my look, and also if you want me to try these kind of videos, fun videos, or any kind of challenges, or if you have any other idea, let me know. And also don't forget to like, share and comment this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video and very soon. Bye bye.